fixing the Arrma 3S BLX shock. So I've broken the end of it, which is right there. So I've broken that bit. And what we're going to be doing today is fixing it. So first things first, to fix it, I need to unscrew the top cap. So if you just want to unscrew the top cap, so the top cap is now undone, you just stick that aside. Stick this little bit aside, stick the spring aside, and this is where some people get confused. So what you need to do is you need to push it all the way in, and then turn it. So as you can see, it is turning. If you want to stick the box over it, under it, so that all of the oil does not get everywhere. And you just continue to unscrew it. It's quite long. And then you just pull it out. Put all of the oil in the pot just to save mess. And then if you just go and get some kitchen roll, just clean it up, get all of the oil off. And then once that's clean, what you want to do is you want to get a tiny little wrench. Once you've got the wrench, what you want to do is just unscrew the bolt, the nut. So as you can see, it's just unscrewing. Don't lose the nut, just keep it in the thing if that helps. Keep it in the wrench. Right, now what you want to do is pull that off, stick that aside too, and you're just left with this part. This part's the part that you no longer need because you've got a replacement right here. So if you just want to throw that aside, then yeah, you don't need that no more. Here is the new one. So what you want to do is you want to get that, just give it a little bit of a clean first, guys. That'll probably be better. Clean all the crap out. Well, as much as it as you can get out. So there you go, that will do. And then if you just want to get the new one, just slot it in there. You need to sort of like screw it on a tiny bit, and then get the washer that you had, like the little, I'm not too sure what it is really, just like a washer, and then get the bolt and just screw it back, the nut on. So as you can see, just screw it on. Don't do it extremely tight, but do it reasonably tight. So that will do. And then if you just want to give this a little bit of a clean, because of, as you can see, there is some crap inside, and you're going to put some new oil in. In my case, I'm going to be putting some new oil in, so just give it a little bit of a clean. You can just use kitchen roll, toilet roll, or anything like that to clean it. Just give it a quick clean on the inside. There you go. So now the inside's cleaner than it was. It does not need to be perfect, so I'm only bashing. So what I'm going to be putting in it is silicone oil. This is 600 CPS. This is not too thick, not too thin, so it's good. Just squirt some of it in there. So that's probably a bit too much, so just pour a tiny bit out. Right, that's probably enough. Just stick the cap back on there and get your piece here. And what you want to do is you want to just push it in there as you would usually do, and then just screw it on. Obviously you will have some coming out because of it will be overfilled, but it's better to put more in than less. Just make sure that you've got it tight enough, which that's tight enough. And then yeah, there's the full shock rebuild. Just give it a clean up after you've done that, because you don't want to put a oily, greasy shock back together. Right, that'll do. And now what you want to do is just stick that there, stick that there, and just get the cap, push the cap on top, tighten it down, and there's a full rebuild. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you just want to like and subscribe, that would be much appreciated. We have gone up in subs quite a lot lately, so a few more would help. Thanks for watching. Laters.